What if I told you that you could start building a stronger core, a more resilient you? Imagine feeling more stable, more powerful, and more in control of your body, in less time than it takes to boil an egg. We're talking about a commitment of just a few minutes each day. That's all it takes to kickstart your journey to a stronger core. No gym, no fancy gear. You don't need a state-of-the-art facility or the latest fitness gadgets to achieve your goals. Just 5 minutes and a bit of floor space. That's all you need to unlock the potential of your core. Forget long, boring workouts. Say goodbye to those endless hours on the treadmill or repetitive exercises that drain your energy. This is about small changes that lead to big results. Consistent, focused effort, even in short bursts, can create a lasting impact on your overall fitness and well-being. We're not chasing a six-pack overnight. This isn't about quick fixes or unrealistic expectations. We're building a core that supports your back, providing a solid foundation for all your movements, improves posture, and makes daily life easier. Imagine effortlessly carrying groceries, sitting comfortably at your desk, and moving with grace and confidence. My friend Sarah started with these moves, skeptical at first, but determined to find relief from her chronic back pain. 5 minutes a day, consistently, became her secret weapon, and her back pain disappeared in weeks. She was amazed by the transformation, and so will you be. Find a comfy spot, a place where you can move freely and without distractions. Put on some music, and give yourself this 5-minute gift. Make it a ritual, a moment of self-care in your busy day. If you want more quick, fun workouts, hit subscribe so you don't miss out. We're constantly adding new routines and tips to help you achieve your fitness goals. Your core is more than just abs, it's the powerhouse of your body. It's your back, hips, and glutes too. These muscles work together to stabilize your spine, improve your balance, and enhance your overall athletic performance. That's why we're working the whole system, engaging all the muscles that contribute to a strong and functional core. Imagine your core as the trunk of a strong tree, providing unwavering support for the branches above. When it's solid, everything else feels easier. You'll move with more confidence, power, and grace. Ready? Deep breath in. Let's center ourselves and prepare to engage our core. Let's get started. It's time to unlock the power within you. Here comes your first exercise. Get ready to feel the burn and embrace the challenge. Alright, let's dive into our next exercise, heel taps. This is a fantastic exercise to target those abdominal muscles and build a strong core. We're going to break down the proper form and technique to ensure you get the most out of this movement. Heel taps are especially effective, perfect for targeting those tricky lower abs. They help to engage those hard-to-reach muscles, contributing to a more toned and defined midsection. To get started, lie comfortably on your back, making sure you have enough space to move your arms and legs freely. Keep your knees bent at a comfortable angle, with your feet flat on the floor, providing a stable base for the exercise. Place your arms by your sides, palms facing down. This will help you maintain balance throughout the exercise. Now, gently lift your head and shoulders slightly off the mat, engaging your core muscles. Remember, you only need to lift just enough to feel the engagement in your abs. Avoid straining your neck. With your core engaged, reach your right hand towards your right heel, feeling the contraction in your obliques. Then alternate and reach your left hand to your left heel, moving side to side in a controlled manner. It's crucial to keep the movement smooth and controlled throughout the exercise, focusing on engaging your core with each tap. Avoid rushing the movement. Quality over quantity is key here. Coordinate your breathing with the movement. Breathe out gently as you tap your heel, engaging your abdominal muscles further, and breathe in as you return to the center position, preparing for the next tap. Remember, controlled breathing not only helps to stabilize your core, but also promotes relaxation and focus, calming your mind. We're going to continue this exercise for 45 seconds, so find your rhythm and stick with it. Always focus on maintaining proper form, rather than trying to complete as many repetitions as possible. If you feel any strain in your neck, gently support it with your hands, interlacing your fingers behind your head. However, remember to let your abs do the majority of the work, avoiding pulling on your neck. Keep that steady rhythm going, engaging your core with each and every tap. Continue moving side to side, maintaining a strong and steady core engagement. You've got this. You're doing great. Keep pushing through. Feel that burn in your abs. Alright, fantastic work. Let's take a short breather and then move on to our next core strengthening exercise. Next, the classic crunch, done right. Stay on your back, knees bent, feet flat, fingertips at your temples or arms crossed over your chest. Squeeze your abs, exhale and lift your head, neck and shoulders just a few inches. Hold for a second, then lower down with control. Imagine a string lifting your chest. Move with your core, not your neck. Strong abs help you run better and move with more power. 45 seconds. Quality over quantity. 5 good reps beat 20 sloppy ones. If your back hurts, reset and focus on your form. Feel that burn? That's progress. Let's finish strong with our last move. Time for the plank, a total core powerhouse. Start on your forearms and knees, elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line. Squeeze your glutes and pull your belly button toward your spine. Hold for 30 seconds. Focus on steady breathing. If you want a challenge, lift your knees for a full plank. Whether on knees or toes, keep your back flat and core tight. Feel that shake? That's your muscles getting stronger. 5 more seconds, and relax. You did it. That's it. You did it. Feel that rush of accomplishment. You just crushed a 5-minute core workout. Give yourself a pat on the back. You earned it. Every rep, every second brought you closer to your goals. Take a breath, a deep, cleansing breath. Let your body recover and rejuvenate. And feel that strength in your core. Notice the engagement, the power you've awakened. This is your body thanking you. The hardest part is starting, overcoming that initial inertia. So, be proud you showed up. Celebrate that victory no matter how small it seems. You made a commitment to yourself and you honored it. Consistency is key. It's the secret ingredient to lasting results. Do this 3 or 4 times a week. Make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. For real results. You'll see the changes, feel the difference, and be amazed at what you can achieve. Fit it into your day. Find those pockets of time where you can squeeze in a quick workout. Morning, afternoon, whenever works for you. There's no perfect time, just the time you make. Remember Sarah? 5 minutes a day changed her life, proving that even the smallest efforts can lead to incredible transformations. Small steps add up. Each workout is a building block, creating a foundation for a healthier, happier you. You're building a stronger, healthier you inside and out. One workout at a time. Embrace the journey, enjoy the process. Want more? Subscribe for new routines. Keep your workouts fresh and exciting. Recipes and tips. Fuel your body with the right nutrients and stay informed with expert advice. Keep showing up, even on the days you don't feel like it. Keep having fun, find activities you genuinely enjoy, and exercise will never feel like a chore. And celebrate your progress. Acknowledge how far you've come and use that as motivation to keep going. Well done, you're doing great. See you in the next workout. Keep up the amazing work.